Utopia or Reality, Handbook of Energy Law. Section 3. Thesaurus. As explained earlier, in the bibliographic context, a thesaurus is a structured list of index terms, or descriptors, that enables the identification of keywords related to scholarly disciplines. The following example uses the STW Thesaurus for Economics of ZBW Leibniz Information Center for Economics. First, an alphabetical list of standardized descriptors of the STW Thesaurus for Economics can be accessed via the Internet. Second, headwords from the sample topic are project finance. In the alphabetical list, a corresponding descriptor that is entitled project finance can be found. In this case, the headwords project finance are simultaneously keywords. Third, by clicking on the symbol on the right-hand side of the descriptor project finance, a window is opened that shows the virtual library catalog of the ZBW Leibniz Information Center for Economics. The virtual library catalog lists literature sources related to the descriptor. It should be noted that other thesauruses might use other alphabetical lists with different descriptors. Section 4. Search Logic. Truncation. A common technique applied in literature search is truncation. A placeholder, also referred to as wildcard or joker, is used in search fields of OPECs or databases in order to increase the flexibility of the search request and the quantity of the search results. Depending upon the syntax prescribed by the software, symbols to be used in order to formulate a search request may vary. Common symbols are asterisk, exclamation mark, question mark, dollar sign, and hash or number sign. There are different techniques of applying truncation. Right-sided truncation. The example market asterisk retrieves literature titles that contain words with the word component market on the left side of the word. Potential retrievals are titles that contain words such as marketability, marketable, marketeer, marketer, marketing, marketplace, and markets. Left-sided truncation. The example asterisk market retrieves literature titles that contain words with the word component market on the right side of the word. Potential retrievals are titles that contain words such as supermarket, hypermarket, gray market, mark-to-market. Whether compound words with hyphens such as gray market are included in the findings depends upon the syntax prescribed by the applied software. Multiple character truncation. The example mode *ing retrieves literature titles that contain words such as modeling with double L, modeling with single L, or moderating. The advantage of multiple character truncation is that it allows to search for different spellings of a word. However, the disadvantage is that meaningless words might be included in the search results. The word moderating, for example, would be out of context while searching for literature about financial modeling. Single character truncation. The example mode *ing retrieves literature titles that contain the words modeling. The advantage is that one can avoid meaningless results. The disadvantage is that it does not include findings with different spelling such as modeling. In our example, the single character truncation would be helpful to identify literature titles in American English. Section 5. Search Logic. Boolean Operations. Another technique applied in literature research is the use of Boolean operations. Boolean operations are logical connectives used in opaque or database search. Operators such as AND, OR, NOT can be used in order to connect search words. This can be demonstrated by the following examples using the search words project finance. AND. The operator AND is used in order to combine search words retrieving literature sources that include both search words. The combination project and finance retrieves literature titles that contain the word project as well as the word finance. OR. The operator OR is used in order to combine search words retrieving literature sources that include either one or both search words. The combination project or finance retrieves literature titles that contain the word project or the word finance as well as the word project and the word finance. NOT. The operator NOT is used in order to combine search words retrieving literature sources that include some search words but exclude other words. The combination project not finance retrieves literature titles that contain the word project but not the word finance. Section 6. Search logic. Phrase searching. In a phrase search, phrases or sentences composed of adjacent words enclosed with quotation marks or other symbols such as parentheses are used for opaque or database search. This is demonstrated by the following example. The phrase search project financing retrieves literature titles that contain the exact word combination project financing. In contrast, the simple search project financing retrieves literature titles that contain the words project and financing in a random order.